Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video I will be highlighting, lowlighting, and toning hair I got from a vendor. If you would like to learn how I got these results, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here, this is how the hair looks before we begin. If you would like to see a video how I got these results, then please check out my playlist that I have. Okay, right here I'm going to do a strand test to see if I can actually lighten the hair. So I'm just going to take one strand of hair in a place where you can barely see it located, and it can be hidden by the hair, majority of the hair. And I'm going to process this and see if I get any lift or any damage from the lift, and we're going to see what results we get from this. Also, I would like to preface that I'm going to be using colors that I actually have in stock. I'm not going to buy anything extra because money's kind of short right now, but we're still going to get a good look after all of this is done. Okay, so here are the results of that strand test. It came out pretty good, even though it seemed like it lost some curl or wave to the hair. I still can go ahead with the process of highlighting, lowlighting, and toning the hair to get my desired result. Right here I'm just showing you a contrast of how light I was able to get the hair. Okay, so this is the sectioning that I'm going to be using. The back, I won't be coloring that, so I left that out. I did the two sides and the crown, and then the very top. Here are my foils, and I'm going to put on my gloves, and we're going to begin. Okay, so right here I'm going to start off with my highlighting. I want the front to be lighter than the back. So right here I'm just taking out the hairline, and I'm going to weave that because I don't want any large chunks of blonde hair right here. So now that I've weaved it, I'm going to go ahead on and put my my lightener in, and the process that I'm using is going to be a weave, then a slice, and then I'm going to leave out the natural hair, and for later I'm just going to tone that while this lightener is processing. So we're just going to take a look and see what's going on from here on out. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you what I did on the sides. Again, I'm weaving the hairline. Instead of having one big blunt slice of highlights, I'm just going to weave it in because it looks a little bit more natural. And I'm going to continue the same process as I did on the front. I'm going to do that on the other side and the back as well, except at the very bottom. That's going to be just right at the nape area, so it can give the hair depth and it's not so monotone and stripy. Okay, so now that we've done all the highlights, I'm now going to go in with my lowlights. Okay, so the colors I'm going to use for the lowlights is 4N, which is a medium brown, and 4BC, which is basically like an ash-based medium brown. Okay, so the portions that well, this is what I'm trying to show you right here. The portions where I did the tease, have to make sure it's thoroughly coated, and I'm actually going to go beyond where the tease stops, if that makes any sense, where the black stops and the blonde begins. I'm going to go a little bit past that because I want a nice even blend. And then everything else, I'm just going to coat it as you normally would, to make sure that it's a darker shade. So hopefully you can see that from what I've got here. I'm only showing you the areas or the portion of the videos that you can actually see, because I could have done the other side, but then that'd be just a waste of time. You see right here I don't have any teas, so I'm just going to apply that from root to ends. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the end product. I have my foils and my lowlights processing at the same time. Here's what the hair looks like after I've shampooed and conditioned it, and now I'm going to go in for the toning of the blonde pieces. Okay, right here I'm just going to mix all the colors that I have available in stock. I have a little bit of T35 from both Color Charm and Generic Value, and I have a little bit of T27 from Generic Value. I'm just going to put that all in the applicator bottle. I'm going to shake that up really good, and I'm going to apply it to damp hair. Like I said, I've just shampooed the hair, I didn't condition it, and I'm going to make sure it's thoroughly coated, and I'm going to do that by combing or brushing the hair through, brushing the product through, and I'm going to process it as the instructions say so. Okay, here is the finished results. Not really a fan. I wanted more of a beigey color, but it's a couple of things I would like to correct about this, but so far this is the completed look, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to have a few pictures in the end so you can get a thorough look. You can always pause the video and take a look at it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, I have a playlist containing all the information or things that I did on this particular wig, and just check it out if you get a chance, and you can see our hair history. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.